I collected information on some of the weirdest, most stupid natural beauty hacks on the internet. Not the generic stuff like drink water or put cucumbers on your eyes. I mean the bizarre, trending, borderline insane secrets that actually genuinely work and can trick people into thinking you're a decade younger. Today I'm going to give you 10 of them. But before we start, drop a comment right now and tell me, what's the absolute dumbest thing you ever put on your face in the name of looking younger? Please leave a comment, I want to hear it. Alright, so hack number 1. Have you seen those 20-year-olds on TikTok? They're taping their faces at night so they don't move. I've seriously thought about trying this face tape. First of all, if I did it, can you imagine being in bed next to your husband and he sees you with the tape all over your face? And second, it hurts. Instead, we're going to do the stupid flaxseed face mask. You literally boil whole flax seeds in water until it turns into this gooey snot-like gel. I know it looks disgusting, but you slather this on your face and you let it dry for 20 minutes until you literally cannot smile. Then you wash it off. Now, why this works is it acts like a natural Botox. It's probably one of the best natural options out there that you can try right now that costs just a few pennies. It tightens everything so fast, you'll look like you haven't processed an emotion since 2012. Now this next one, it sounds stupid because we're told to put everything on our skin. But true anti-aging is an inside job, especially now that our metabolism has left that chat. Have you ever heard of black seed oil? It's also called Nigella sativa. And this stuff was found in King Tut's tomb. Cleopatra allegedly used it, and they weren't dealing with spreadsheets and perimenopause. So they knew what they were doing. Instead of rubbing oils all over your face and causing your face to break out, you take 1 teaspoon of high-quality black seed oil internally every morning. I've been doing this literally for over 2 years. This one works amazing. You have to try it. It tastes terrible, I'll be honest. It's like grass clippings and black pepper together. Terrible. You can mix it with honey. Take your spoon of black seed oil with honey to make it taste better. And you also can mix it with a glass of water to help it to go down easier. This also works. But it's worth it. And I won't lie to you, the antioxidants in this is powerful. It washes away all inflammation from the inside out. And it truly is one of those that makes you look younger the more you use it. So start using this one for sure. I vouch for this one and I really like it. And if you want to know more about black seed oil, I wrote a whole book on it. I'll leave in the top of the comments because it is so good. So go and check that out. Hack number 3, the spoon sculpt. Throw away your expensive face rollers. They just collect bacteria anyway. Go to your silverware drawer and grab 2 heavy soup spoons and put them in the freezer. When you wake up and you look like a puffy marshmallow because you ate salt after 8 p.m., which is apparently a crime now that we're older, take those frozen spoons and press the back of them under your eyes and drag them up your jawline. It shrinks the puffiness instantly, and you'll look like you have cheekbones again instead of just a face. Hack number 4, rice water, or maybe you would call it the leftover miracle. Next time you're making rice for dinner, you want to rinse the rice and make sure you rinse it at least 2 to 3 times to get out any of that arsenic. Then take that leftover water from the last time you rinsed it and save it overnight on the counter. The fermented rice water is the secret behind Japanese and Korean anti-aging. After 24 hours, just pour it in a spray bottle and use it as a toner on your face. It's packed with inositol, which literally repairs your old cells. It gives you that glass skin look, which is really great if you currently have skin like textured drywall. Alright, hack number 5, the upside down trick. Hack number 5 is entirely free. It looks totally ridiculous. Gravity is not our friend after 35. Everything is moving south. So every evening, hang your head off the side of the bed for 3 minutes. Just lay there upside down. Your kids will love it. They'll think you've gone crazy. What we're doing is forcing blood and oxygen directly to the scalp and the face. It's an instant natural rush of collagen production. It brings the color back to your skin so you stop looking like a Victorian ghost. All right, we all know coffee wakes up your brain, but we're using the leftover damp grounds for the morning to wake up our thighs and necks. Mix your old coffee grounds with a little bit of coconut oil and scrub your neck and chest in the shower. The caffeine topically restricts blood vessels and tightens the skin immediately. It is a temporary fix, sure, but if you have a date tonight or you just want to look less like a turtle in a V-neck shirt, this is a holy grail. Number 7, do not throw away banana peels. The inside of a banana peel is loaded with lutein and potassium. Rub the inside of the peel directly onto your crow's feet and your under eye lines. Let it dry and then rinse off. It fills in the micro lines like a makeup primer, but naturally. Have you ever tried this one? Leave me a comment below if you tried this one. I've used this banana before on my elbows and sometimes on my feet, and I definitely notice a difference. Number 8, stop buying that $80 silk pillowcase. Go to the craft store, buy a yard of silk fabric for $5, and just wrap it over your pillow. Your hair won't break, and your face won't get those deep creases that take 4 hours to fade. We're budget-friendly queens here, so try this method. Number 9 is the weirdest trending hack right now: castor oil in your belly button before bed. It sounds completely stupid, but the belly button is the center of your system. High quality castor oil absorbed there helps regulate your digestion and your bloating. And let's be real, a bloated gut makes you feel and look older than we are. Finally, hack number 10, try this. For 1 hour before bed, do not move your face. No squinting at your phone, no laughing at memes, no scowling at your husband for breathing too loudly. Let your facial muscles completely go limp. It resets the muscles' memory so you don't etch those wrinkles in deeper while you're sleeping. This one would probably be the hardest of all, because honestly, just sitting there and not moving for an hour, try it. Let me know in the comments if you could do this one and pass. All right, we went through the snot gel, the Pharaoh's oil, the hanging upside down like a bat. I need to know in the comments right now, which one of these 10 are you actually brave enough to try? Which one have you already tried? And if you're gonna try the black seed oil, tell me below. I'll reply to everyone. And if you want to deep dive seriously into that black seed oil, go and check out my book, and it'll give you a lowdown of so many more amazing things that black seed oil can do. And subscribe, and make sure you go and watch this video right over here.